brace from the center part of this core support. There's 2 bolts that bolt this piece to this center piece of the core support. There's 1 extra bolt that holds on this sensor here. The sensor has a metal bracket over the top of it, 10 millimeter to get that off, and then these are 12s here. So I'm taking the wires off the horn. I took these plastic pieces off of each side that were just being held on by a clip. Probably going to pull them all the way out the way at some point, at least maybe this one, because that's where the lines are for the condenser, so we can see the condenser here. From what it looks like, I'm still going to have to take these fans out to get to the condenser, but I don't know yet. I'll find out here shortly. That's about as far as I've gotten.